Welcome back to Eiger Protection. So today's video came from a viewer request to test the Black Privacy Screen Protector and compare its impact protection against other cheaper models. I had a lot of fun making this video. It was kind of like a mini rage room, but with the knowledge of how each screen protector is made, it was also really interesting to see how our products compare against others. To test both properly and fairly, I have a Newton force meter. This helps to measure how much pressure is being applied, and a scratch testing kit. Most of us put our phones in our bags and pockets, and scratch is a really important thing to test, because when there is a scratch, it compromises the screen protector and leads to cracks. Today, we are testing the Black Privacy Screen Protectors. We offer a two-way privacy screen protector seen here, and also a four-way 360-degree privacy screen protector. This is my personal favorite as I get public transport a lot, and it just gives me that extra peace of mind when typing important texts and emails. Both of these screen protectors are very strong impact protection, being level 7 on the mineral hardness scale. They are both 2 times stronger than typical cheaper soda lime models, and we will put that to the test for you today. Here you can see our black privacy glass next to a screen protector we ordered off Amazon. To keep it a fair trial, both are placed on a hard surface. This will allow us to measure the true force of the Newton meter, but also allow us to emulate real-life scenarios. So here we go. I will say off the bat, and you can see, the other model was very flimsy, thin, which meant that when applying even the smallest of pressures, for context, I am not a very strong, heavy-handed person. It immediately cracked and began to chip, shatter, and almost crumble. Here I was using different everyday materials to test scratch and impact protection. And as you can see, the screen protector is crumbling apart. I was even careful here as pieces of glass were flying out. And now for the Newton test. I heard a crack at around 90 to 100 newtons, meaning that this screen protector most definitely would not protect your real screen efficiently. And now, I'm repeating the exact same process onto our black privacy glass from Eiger Protection. I observed that because of the thickness of the glass, it was a lot harder to create any chip-like cracks. Naturally, its most vulnerable areas like the corner cracked first, but the middle was notably strong, and this is very useful in a screen protector. When doing the Newton test for this one, I actually could not muster up enough strength to create any cracking sounds, but after I noticed a few cracks that occurred at around 200 newtons, which meant I was bearing most of my weight onto the force meter. And now, the final result. The other screen protector is flimsy, cracked, and even a hazard with so much glass crumbling. And you can see the Eiger Protection Black Edge 360 still has its shape, a few scratches and cracks, but if we use our learning to perceive how it will protect your device screen, it is most definitely the better option.